guys, long time no see. OMG, if you guys see shoes back there, ignore the shoes. If you hear some blinds moving, ignore that. That's just my cat. Bars. So I am just basically doing an update video, life update. Hold on, I don't think my light is like bright enough or something. Maybe I need to sit a little closer. I don't know what's going on, whatever. So yeah, this is basically just like a little update on what I've been doing so far, where I'm at. When am I gonna start filming again? Because I know people have been asking and asking and asking, like, Aman, like, you have not filmed anything. So yeah, the last video I made was 3 months ago. That was a makeup tutorial, so yeah. But basically the summer has been super hectic with work and just work and work and work, and yeah, so actually I did find out that I was pregnant in July. So first trimester was woo, I was so tired. I was so tired. I was so tired. I was so freaking tired. Like, I have never been so tired in my life. Like, I thought my freshman year of college was tiring. This, oh, what, I was getting off of work like, good night, baby. Like, he was like, dang, okay. Like, so yes, I am pregnant with my first little nugget, and I'm actually gonna create a whole separate video for that. But yeah, I am going to start filming again because I have energy again. I feel like a human being again. I can smell the roses a little too much again. But yeah, that's pretty much that's been going on in my life. Nothing too crazy. I haven't like traveled or done anything, unfortunately. I wish I got to do something over the summer. The original plan was to go to an amusement park, but you can't go on roller coaster rides when you're pregnant. So yeah, I will be doing pregnancy updates on my channel for those who aren't gonna ask. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that this video was gonna be super quick. This is probably gonna be like, I'm probably not gonna do no edits, no nothing. I'm just upload this video how it is. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I'm actually gonna film it right after this video. So yes, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate the subscribers that I have and the 2 that I actually gained, because every new subscriber makes me happy. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and follow me on some of my social media platforms, like my Instagram, you know, which I'm mostly on anyway. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.